Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mowa. Myself Nimisha Mehta. Today we start revision chapter 3 for our next unit test 2. Okay बच्चे, I have explained the chapter 3 nouns and gender. We go further. Chapter 3 nouns and gender. Nouns are divided into 4 categories according to the gender they refer to. In 4 categories that divide. So बच्चे, here a noun that refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male is said to be of the masculine gender. Uncle, duck, tiger, lion, man, boy. Okay. A noun that refers to a female is said to be of the feminine gender. Aunt, duchess, tigeress, lioness. Understand? Girl, woman, aunt. A noun that can refer to both a male and female is called said to be of a common gender. Child, but we don't know. Boy or girl. Baby, we don't know baby girl or baby boy. Parent, servant, cousin. Okay? A noun that refers to a noun living thing, non-living thing, that is neither a male nor a female, is said to be of the neuter gender. A noun then refers to a non-living thing. Table, chair, pen, pencil, chalk, duster. Okay? Understand. So here, the modern English language is not known for having many gender specific nouns, but they do exist. There are actually 4 categories of gender nouns in English. We already understood masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. There are also metaphorical gender nouns in English. In this lesson, we will discuss the difference among these categories of gender nouns and give you many examples. In English, we assign natural genders to nouns according to biological sex, means gender. Normally, nouns in English are only given a gender to refer to biological sex, male or female. Noun genders in English. There are 4 genders of nouns in English. We already seen masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Masculine nouns refer to a male figure or male member of a species, boy, father, rooster, king, actor, etc. These nouns are referred to as he, him, his, himself. We studied no pronoun. He, him, his, himself. So here they given picture as a see boy. He is a good dad. Here they given dad picture. He is a good dad. Then it's a masculine gender. You understand? Okay. Feminine nouns refer to a female figure, mother, hen, queen, actress, etc. These nouns are referred to as she, her, hers, herself. Here they given picture. You understand? बच्चे she is talking to her friend, both female person है ना? Okay, understand. Next, nouns of common gender refer to members of a species, but they do not specify the gender. It can be male or female, child, parent, chicken, royalty, cat, etc. These nouns are referred to as it, its, itself. It is a fat cat. We don't say if it is a female cat or a male cat. We can't clarify, so it's a common gender. Now we go some more examples of feminine, masculine, common gender. Woman, then it's a feminine. Man, masculine, common gender, person. We don't know male या female. As per mother, father, parent. Girl, boy, child. Sister, brother, sibling. Wife, husband, spouse. Hen, rooster, chicken. Okay बच्चे, neuter nouns refer to things, inanimate objects that do not have a gender. Book, computer, pillow, window, tree, guitar. These nouns are referred to as it's itself. It is an old book. Okay. So here some given masculine gender, feminine gender and common gender names. You understood that. God, goddess, lord, lady, landlord, landlady, count, countess, prince, princess, policeman, policewoman, police officer is a common. Okay. Masculine and feminine nouns for people. Father, then mother, son, then daughter, opposite that. Brother, sister, nephew, niece, uncle, aunt, master, mistress. We add INE and A. See here, author, authoress, count, countess, testator, testatrix, negro, negress, traitor, traitress, poet, poetess, abbot, abbess. Okay बच्चे, here we use boy, girl, different that. See here, look here. Masculine and feminine nouns by using an entirely different word. Boy, girl, king, queen, drag, dog, monk, nun, buck, doe, dog, beach. Okay, here masculine and feminine nouns that take a suffix or a prefix. Look here, man servant, maid servant, bull calf, cow calf, he got, she got, landlord, landlady, peacock, peahen. Okay बच्चे, understand? Other rule, masculine and feminine nouns by using an entirely different word. Rooster, hen, drag, dog, bull, cow, gander, goose, fox, vixen, stallion, mare. Okay. Common gender nouns. Child, servant, enemy, neighbor, we don't know. Child, boy या girl. Servant we don't know. Man servant या maid servant. Okay बच्चे. So as per that, student also we don't know. Girl या boy. Pupil also. Okay बच्चे, you understand this common noun also. We go as per neuter nouns. Pen, pencil, car, bus. They have no gender. So it's a neuter gender. Understand no? Non-living things. Okay बच्चे, I hope you understand these nouns and gender. More and more revise, practice exercises of your textbook. I ask from textbook in unit test. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe.